guys are going to run the numbers here for the Eagles-Vikings pool for this Sunday here. We're going to go live. We are live. Night 8:49 p.m. 8:49 p.m. We are going to grab the list. Drop it in a random. 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a raffle. We have a 9. That's high enough for 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next click. And 9. Here's your numbers for the game. I will drop them into a post. Underneath, at the very bottom, we are done. 8:50 p.m. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 8:50 and 8:50.